for this video. And you can see my yarn is in a light color so that beginners can see their stitches. So how do you make a slip knot? Let's first of all identify the different parts of this small ball of yarn. It's a size 4 yarn and then the medium weight yarn. Now we have this part of the yarn is called your tail end. This part of your yarn is called your tail end, while this other part of your yarn that is attached to the ball is called your working yarn. I think the reason why that is called the working yarn is actually because it's the yarn is always working. So we have this part attached to the ball being known as a working yarn, and this other part known as the tail end. That's the shorter part of the yarn. So how do we make our slip knot? Making slip knot is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So here you go. Now you make a loop like you want to draw or write number 6. You can see that number 6. Then you use this finger holding the tail end of your yarn. You pull it through the loop. That's the loop we made. And you pull this end, this part of the tail end yarn, through that loop that you made. Gently. And this is what we have. Okay? Now, using your left hand now has both the working yarn and the tail end yarn. You can pull through gently. Yes. So, you can use your left hand to tighten both the working yarn and the tail end yarn to adjust it, and bravo, you have your slip knot. Now there's something beautiful about the slip knot. It's actually adjustable. Yes, you can pull the tail end properly and you adjust right to the size of your crochet hook. So let's get a crochet hook to see how we're going to fit it right into it. So we have this 4